Are you looking for the top 5 best fitness smartwatches for men? Which fitness smartwatch is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of thinking to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Amazfit Bip 6. The Amazfit Bip 6 caught my attention with its impressive 14-day battery life and a sleek AMOLED display, all for just $79. If you want a long-lasting smartwatch that tracks your fitness and health, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1.97-inch AMOLED display means you get vibrant colors and clear visibility, crucial for reading your stats during workouts. Plus, with over 140 workout modes, you can tailor your fitness routine exactly how you like. The built-in GPS and free maps help you navigate without your phone, ensuring you stay on track, especially during outdoor activities. This model has already found over 5,000 buyers in the past month, showing it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced health metrics like ECG readings. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking to monitor your basic health and fitness, you won't miss those features too much. It's still a solid performer for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you're a casual fitness enthusiast looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you need advanced health tracking features that go beyond what it offers. For $79, it provides a lot of value for the functionality it delivers. Now, if the lack of advanced health features bothered you, this next one takes a completely... Product number 2, Uweaver Smartwatch. The Uweaver Smartwatch is intriguing at just $49.99, especially with integrated Alexa and over 105 sport modes. If you want smart features without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. With its 1.91-inch HD LCD touchscreen, you get a responsive display that makes interacting with your watch a breeze. The built-in Alexa can handle your reminders and music, so you're hands-free while you work out. Plus, the IP68 waterproof rating means you can use it swimming or in heavy rain without worries. It actively monitors your heart rate, SpO2, and sleep, so you're always in tune with your body. For anyone looking to keep track of their fitness and health seamlessly, this is a strong contender, especially with over 1,000 sold recently. However, some users mentioned that the Bluetooth calling feature can be a bit glitchy. Now, I'll be real with you. If you plan on using this for constant calls, it might not meet your expectations. But if you're mostly using it for notifications and fitness tracking, it's a fantastic buy. This is perfect for tech-savvy individuals who want smart features at an affordable price. Skip it if you need flawless call quality. For $49.99, it's a smart investment. Alright, that was a solid. Product number 3, Basic Fitness Smartwatch. At just $18.99, this Basic Fitness smartwatch makes fitness tracking accessible for everyone. If you're just starting your fitness journey, this is definitely worth considering. With a 1.83-inch display and compatibility with both Android and iOS, it offers basic fitness tracking features like heart rate and sleep monitoring. It's also waterproof with an IP68 rating, so you can wear it while working out without worrying about sweat or rain. The simple interface is perfect for those who want to keep things straightforward. Given that over 1,000 people have bought this in the past month, it's clearly resonating with first-time users. However, some reviews pointed out that the battery life isn't the best, lasting only a few days on a single charge. But here's the thing, if you're just using it casually, frequent charging isn't a deal breaker. This is a great starter watch for anyone looking to track their fitness without spending a lot. This is perfect for someone new to fitness tracking or on a super tight budget. Skip it if you're looking for advanced features or longer battery life. For $18.99, you can't really go wrong. Now, if that battery life is a concern for you. Product number 4, Alexa Built-in Smartwatch. Next up is the smartwatch with Alexa built-in for $29.99. This one has a lot of friendly features for the price, making it a solid choice for fitness enthusiasts.
It has a 1.83-inch HD touchscreen and Bluetooth calling, so you can talk directly from your wrist. This feature is especially handy when you're in the middle of a workout. With 120 plus sports modes, it caters to various activities, and its real-time heart rate and sleep monitoring keep you on track with your health. The IP68 rating also means it's waterproof, so you can confidently wear it in wet conditions. Given that over 1,000 have already sold, it's a popular pick for good reason. However, some people have mentioned that the touch sensitivity can be hit or miss when wet. Here's the thing though, for most workouts, it performs fine, but if you're a swimmer looking for a flawless touchscreen, you might find it a bit frustrating. This is perfect for users who want a blend of smart features without a hefty price tag. Skip this if you need a watch that performs flawlessly in every condition. For $29.99, it offers product number 5, Curved AMOLED Smartwatch. Finally, we have the Smartwatch with a 2.01-inch AMOLED curved touchscreen for $32.99. This model really stands out with its stunning display and fitness capabilities. The AMOLED display is vibrant and easy to read in any light, which is great for outdoor workouts. It monitors your heart rate, sleep, and has over 120 sports modes, so you can track virtually any activity you choose. Plus, it's IP68 waterproof, similar to the others, allowing for versatility in different environments. It's already sold 500 plus units, which shows it's gaining traction among fitness enthusiasts. Now, some users did mention that the setup process can be a bit complicated, but honestly, once you get it going, it's super intuitive. If you're not tech savvy, it might take a minute to figure out, but it's worth the effort for the features you get. This is perfect for anyone who values a quality display and varied.
So there you have it. The Amazfit Bip 6 for long battery life, the Yo Ever smartwatch for smart features, the Basic Fitness smartwatch for budget-friendly tracking, the Alexa built-in smartwatch for versatility, and the Curved AMOLED smartwatch for a stunning display. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your lifestyle the best.